In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PowerPoint presentation. First things first, let's get started by heading over to your Microsoft PowerPoint application. This is your gateway to accessing all of your slideshow projects, and it's likely either pinned on your desktop or nestled nicely in your Start menu. Once you have PowerPoint open, you'll see the main interface where you'll typically find a variety of options that are possibly going to look familiar if you've been on PowerPoint before. Now, generally, when you open PowerPoint, your most recent file projects appear as soon as the application launches. You might notice a welcome screen showing thumbnails of your recent files. Think of this as a quick access area designed for your convenience so you can quickly pick up where you left off. Scroll through this list under Recent if you're looking for a presentation you worked on recently. This comes in really handy when you're in a pinch and need to make a quick update or reference to a presentation without spending much time hunting it down. If the file you need isn't under the Recent tab, check out Favorites, a section designed to help you keep track of those presentations you often revisit. You can tag files as favorites for easier access. PowerPoint really aims to save you time, ensuring that the files you care about stay front and center. Next up, Shared with Me is another crucial area on PowerPoint's start screen. This section is specifically useful when you are collaborating with others and they share presentations with you. By clicking here, you can quickly find files that have been sent over by colleagues or friends without needing to search through emails or other platforms. Once you've identified the file you want to open from any of these sections, Recent, Favorites, or Shared with Me, go ahead and click on it. You'll notice how quickly the file opens up right to the slide you were last working on. This seamless transition ensures that you can dive straight into making edits, preparing for your presentation, or reviewing content with minimal interruption. And there you have it. You've successfully opened your PowerPoint presentation. Whether it's digging through your recently accessed projects, finding something you've tagged as a favorite, or accessing a shared file, everything is right where you need it to be. Remember, PowerPoint is structured to make your workflow as smooth as possible, so take advantage of these features to stay organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating PowerPoint.